guys, my name is Jessie of Jess Cuisine Kitchen, where we are all about food and fun. We do food reviews and restaurant reviews. We also do recipes and food games, that is eating challenges and competition. Joined for today's video by
Abigail
and
Marianne.
yes, so we are coming to you live from County 022 and we are coming from the front yard. I just love the background. It just feels a different. So in today's video we are going to do another interesting game where we call it Guess the Biscuit Flavor Challenge. I have a few different types and brands of biscuit in this bag. I'm not going to show the contestants so that they will not be able to guess which one it is, but whenever they choose, then I will show them which ones they have chosen. I'll just give them the names of the brands. So today's participants will be Marianne and Abigail. So let's do this. So in the first game we have this. I hope you can see. I'm going to write it down because it's reverse. I'm using the front camera. And we also have this. I hope you can see. So I'm going to give them each different and then they will tell me which one it is. I'll give them the names because maybe they have not tasted these brands. Pick. Reach out for my hand, you pick one. Marianne, pick the other one. So which one are you holding? We have pizza and we have salty. And you? We have pizza and salty. So you can be holding either. Marianne, you're holding salty or pizza? You're holding salty. Yako inaitwa salty ama pizza? Inaitwa aje? Guess. Pizza. Hebu fungueni macho muone mtu aone yako na gani. Wangari uko na pizza. Na wewe uko na? So mko wrong. For the next challenge, you're going to put your hand inside the box and pick one. Put your hand and don't peep. Don't peep over here. So, let me see the ones you're holding. Na wewe, hebu nione yako inaitwa aje. So so we have 4 packs. One is called shortcake. The other one is called bourbon. The other one is called glucose, and the other one is called milk. So which one did you choose among the 4? There's shortcake, there's bourbon, there's glucose, and there's biscuit. Sorry, milk biscuit. So which one? So nyinyi wawili, you think you have picked milk biscuit? I open your blindfolds. Who got it? Yeah, and Marianne got it right. Yeah. And the final guess, we have this. I will not name them. This and this. So pick one. Here. Sorry. So, Abigail, which one do you have? Either shortcake or bourbon. Marianne? Okay, open your blindfold. You have said the opposite. So, and the winner of this game is Marianne, because she got one right. Hey. So, drum roll. Okay. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, kindly
Subscribe, like,
comment and share to join this Jess family. And if you'd like to participate in any of our challenges or restaurant or food reviews, kindly let us know. Reach out on our social medias or comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.